Hi, my name is Bill, and this is another edition of Scales and Weighing Solution, the LoadCellDepot.com, LoadCellExpress.com. I'm going to introduce you today to an LP7515 Locosc indicator. This particular indicator is manufactured for many different companies with their private keypads. Every single one of these indicators function exactly the same way. The only difference that you're going to notice is the keypads. One of them are nicer than the other, but each and every one of them is exactly the same. Every single indicator comes with 3 AA batteries because you can actually operate it on batteries. It comes with an AC adapter, comes with an RS-232 DB 9-pin connector for output to printers, etc., etc., and also comes with a manual. Now, if you buy this from Scales and Weighing Solution, the Load Cell Depot, you can purchase it also on eBay from Load Cell Depot. We are not selling this particular model on Amazon. Reason being is because it's too many competitions and too many bad sellers. Sellers don't set up the indicator for you. They don't test it. They don't give you all the parts for the scale kit itself. And unfortunately, they find me and they're calling me. They didn't buy the equipment from me, but they want technical support from me. So I'm not selling this particular item on Amazon. I'm selling it on my websites and also on eBay only. Now, if you buy it from me, it's also going to come with a personalized manual. This particular manual will tell you how to set up a scale, what is it that's included in the box, how to wire it, how to set the parameters. Everything that you need to know about it, it's pretty much in here with colored pictures, how to set up a summing box, and the parts list. What would it cost, to replace equipment? Also, what I want to tell you, since if you're going to buy it from me, it's going to come with a stainless steel summing box with a rubber gasketed box. 99% of Amazon sellers sell this particular scale kit with a plastic box with no protection at all from water. We actually give you something that's protected, sealed, so water doesn't get into it. Now, let's start by showing you how this particular indicator configure. So first, you press the hold and unit button at the same time, and you press the on and off. You let that one go after you see the zeros, and it says cal kg. Now, if you want to calibrate in pounds, you press the unit button to change that, and the hold button is the one that actually going to save this particular setting that you just selected. Now, F55, it's set for a particular weighing capacity. So what we're going to do is we're going to change it because we don't like 200 kilos. We would like to have actually something else. So you're going to go press the unit button, you go to 6. And then that actually enters you into a parameter setting that you set up every single parameter in there. This one is actually called for decimal point. It says we're going to have 1 decimal point in the unit. We don't want that because we want to weigh by 1 pound. That does not require decimal point. So we change that to 0. Press the hold button. It's going to tell you division, which is going to be 1. That means it's going to count by 1 pound. So you press the unit button because we save that. I'm sorry, press the hold button to save that. And then it goes to capacity. Capacity, it's right now set at 10,000 pound, no decimal place. We can change that with the 0 and unit buttons, but at 10,000 pound, we are comfortable with that. So we leave it at that is. Load. This actually asking you how much weight you're going to put on to do a calibration on this particular scale. You press hold and it shows you the digits. Now, I'm going to put 50 pounds on it. So I'm going to with the 0 button, I'm going to jump the digits. I'm going to change this to 5 because I have a 50-pounder. And I'm going to remove the 6 because we're not going to put 6,050 pounds on it. We're just going to put 50 pounds on it. Press the hold to save that. Now calibration is on. So now we have nothing on a platform. And then we proceed with calibration. Press hold, no load. That means you have nothing on a platform. And right now is going to look for that digit, that raw count, to see where the 0 is. Press hold again. Now we can put weight on it with load. We put 50 pounds on our base that we just designed and put together. As soon as we're done with that, we press hold and cal ends. Press hold again. It'll count down. So it recycles, restarts. And you take the weight off, and it should be somewhere around 50 pounds. So this is how you calibrate and set up this particular indicator. Press on and off, and you turns it off. It is very simple to actually do this. This is one of the most convenient, small, compact indicator that you can buy. However, it does have certain things that I don't like about it. For example, when you put the weight on it, it doesn't give you a stable signal or anything like that. What you do is actually you wait a couple of seconds and then you press the button because you're not knowing, when the weight is stable according to the indicator. Also, because it comes with AA batteries, changeable batteries, it's not rechargeable. That means you got to keep buying batteries if you're actually going to use this with the battery. What's good about it is, since every one of the LP series from Locosc operates on a 5-pin plug, this one also has the large 5-pin connector. And this is new because this particular indicator used to come with a small 4-pin plug. That has been changed because Locosc realized that all the scales should be uniformed. So if you buy one of these low-cost units later on, you can upgrade the indicator to a better version like the LP7515 legal for trade indicator, 7553, which is a large display, 7516, smaller display, lower cost, economical units. It helps you to actually upgrade and change this particular unit to a better one, a better version later on. Thank you for watching and have a great day. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.